Hi, this is Christy Chavez. I will be your guide for this introductory video to the EBSCO host databases for your Nutrition, Food Science, and Kinesiology 163 Physical Fitness and Nutrition course. During this Fitness and Nutrition course, your semester will be split into two halves. For each section, you will be required to conduct academic-based research on topics for nutrition and fitness. Your major assignments will be to write 2 research analyses, 2 consumer product analyses, and 1 oral group presentation. Your instructors will be asking you to locate multiple peer-reviewed empirical research studies from academic journals for your research analyses and 3 reliable peer-reviewed scientific articles within the last 10 years for your consumer product analyses. You may be asking, why should I use a database over Google or a traditional library catalog search? The answer to this comes down to finding the most appropriate collection of sources for your subject. Because you need current, peer-reviewed information, an important resource to gather your sources would be to begin with an academic database like EBSCO. The primary databases you'll be using for this course are compiled by a company called EBSCO. EBSCO is a private company that offers access to many types of academic resources, from journals to ebooks to audiobooks, for use in academic and healthcare contexts. Many of you may already be familiar with EBSCO's multidisciplinary database collections like Academic Search Elite that cover topics from almost every discipline taught in an academic university. Since SJSU pays a subscription for us to access this suite of research databases, they are free for you to use and accessible from the KINE library website after entering your student credentials. Its offerings are multidisciplinary, and the collection houses popular and peer-reviewed sources. Among its contents are indexed sources, ebooks, and full-text articles. Timeliness is important for sources in the sciences, so using a database allows you easy access to the most current research in the nutrition and fitness fields. For a team-taught hybrid course like this one, it is important to find a relevant database for this discipline. I'm going to introduce you to EBSCO's database CINAHL Complete. Since you'll be asked to research topics within both nutrition and fitness, CINAHL will be one of your first stops in collecting peer-reviewed, research-based information on research topics and/or products for either subject. As seen in EBSCO's documentation, CINAHL Complete covers health and nursing-related topics and contains 5,400 journals on nursing and allied health topics, with 1,400 full-text journals. Its holdings are large, with 4.1 million records dating back to 1937. A list of helpful topics for your assignments include nursing, biomedicine, alternative complementary medicine, and consumer health, among others. I will now touch upon 2 of EBSCO's other subject-specific databases, SPORTDiscus with full text and Food Science Source, that would also benefit you in your research. In subsequent videos, I will show you how you can scope your searching within EBSCO to only one single database or include additional subject-specific databases together in one search. SPORTDiscus focuses on sports and sports medicine literature. This collection contains full-text access to 550 indexed journals with coverage dating back to 1985. Applicable topics to this course include sports, physical fitness, exercise, sports medicine, sports science, physical education, kinesiology, and training. The Food Science Source database was created for industry experts and professionals to gather information on the food industry and related topics. This particular database is often used by food science and packaging students for research and would work well for you all to gather resources about the products in your consumer product analyses. It contains the full text of 1,400 publications ranging from magazines to market reports to peer-reviewed journals. Its relevant topics include agribusiness, food and beverage science, food packaging, food safety, food shipping, food and culinary innovation, and food-related product development. Keep in mind that these 3 EBSCO databases will be of great use to you when researching for your assignments. For tutorials on how to search EBSCO, please watch the next in this series on basic EBSCO search tips. For further research guidance for this course, feel free to consult the King Library LibGuides on Nutrition and Food Science or Kinesiology. For online assistance from the SJSU Reference Desk, visit our Ask a Librarian page at the link on the screen, or you can always contact me at my email. Thanks for watching this Kinesiology Fitness Database Introduction.